What I woke up to Friday morning.
$5,950
Creator fund. This is how much money that I made from it in one day.
79. Day number 2, September 11th.
$1,776. $3,769.
Within a month, 14,000.
Last November,
$4,235.15.
The program worth it? My answer is yes.
Pretty good.
I've been in it for 20 days and I've already made
$2,500.
This is how much I've made.
Up until now, we have created our dropshipping store using TikTok Shop Seller Center. It allows you to create your own TikTok shop where you will reach out directly to content creators promoting your dropshipping products. You can also connect directly with people that are buying your products. That is the power of TikTok against platforms like Shopify. With Shopify, you'd have to use ads, whereas with TikTok, when it comes to organic marketing, so you go into the TikTok Shop Seller Center, you log in, choose the type of business that you are. I've selected sole proprietor. Then once you go next, you just let them know what type of ID you have. Is it a passport? Is it a driver's license? And this integrated Jumio system here will verify that information to make sure that you are someone that is from a country that qualifies for TikTok Shop. And once you've done all this, TikTok lets you know within a couple of minutes whether you have been accepted to become a TikTok shop. Now, once you've created a TikTok shop, you want to make sure that your Shopify is set up. As a reminder, the theme of this video is how to make $100 a day dropshipping with TikTok Shop and Shopify. I have got a $1 a month or £1 a month trial. You can grab or Shopify if you want to give it a try and get a feel of what Shopify is like to work with. I will link that in the description. And once created your Shopify, you can now integrate that back into TikTok Shop, and TikTok Shop will be more of your face where you're dealing with your customers, your creators that are promoting the products for you organically, refunds, and the customer service side things. Another tool that I wanted to highlight is called AutoDS, which is a tool that handles order fulfillment. You are dropshipping on Shopify and on TikTok Shop. They've got all these tools. You've got Ad Spy, which allows you to spy on ads that are doing well for other e-commerce shops. You've got this marketplace where you can choose what products you are going to be selling. AutoDS connect with the supplier. They handle the A to Z process of that person that supplies the product, getting it sent to your customer. Once your customer purchases the product, AutoDS simplifies that whole process. They have a print on demand tab here. So if you're into selling your t-shirts, hoodies, jumpers, and so forth, they have got this option you can utilize here. But for this presentation, I'm interested in where they automate the fulfillment of the products for you, which makes life easier if you're starting out and getting into dropshipping like I am. Now, the next part is making sure that you have got a storefront that's built. This is only for if you are intending to sell directly from Shopify. This is a tool called Build Your Store, and it's a tool that builds your Shopify storefront in less than 2 minutes based on these inputs that you let the AI know here. So essentially, the AI does 99% of the work creating your site, and all you do is just let it know what niche you are going to go into: fashion, electronics. So just update that, and from there you choose a banner, any of these images here, and select those, choose that one and that one, and select it, update, and that goes ahead and integrates into your Shopify, which I'm not going to do just now for the sake of time. And from there builds the storefront for you, and you are still able to edit it once it has been built, but it just does that for you, and it just makes life so much easier. So I've got my Ustream here, and I've got my screen share here as well, just so I can see what I'm doing. So once you've got your bases set up, you've got your TikTok shop, you've got your Shopify store, you've got AutoDS side handling the fulfillment side of things, and you've also got your Shopify storefront set up as well, if that's something that you're wanting to do. Of course, you've also got a tool called Smos, which will allow you to do further product research compared to tools like AutoDS, which I've not used that much. Smos goes in really deep in terms of product research, dates in real time, and it lets you know what's currently trending and what's selling well within TikTok, whether that be daily, weekly, monthly. In addition to Fastmos, all of these tools will be linked in the description if you are watching this video on demand. So in addition to Smos, another alternative tool that you can use that does pretty much the same thing as Smos, it is Halo Data. Again, the beauty of Halo Data, it is dedicated towards TikTok data. So it lets you know what's working within TikTok. It's not really a tool like AutoDS, which does all these other things and wears all these other hats. Also happens to allow you to see what product, to pick products and see what's trending. It is purely for TikTok shop. And straight away, you can see the number one selling product, top products there. We've got this instant tea powder and all these other products as well. And you can also see not only top products. So if you are an entrepreneur and you are interested in jumping into organic promotion, you also want to connect with creators, right? You want to have a conversation around creators selling the products for you, but then how are you going to pick the right people to start promoting your product, right? So you've got here a list of top creators on TikTok Shop current. And the beauty here of Halo data is this is dedicated again towards TikTok Shop. So if you go for top creators here and have a look at it, you're not just going to see Drake or some top celebrity. No, this shows you creators that are selling a lot within TikTok Shop. So it ties into your use case perfectly. If you were doing your research or just interested in spying at what other shops are performing well, you have also got top shops ranked here as well. You've got top live streams, with live streaming one of the best ways to sell TikTok products. A lot of shops do that directly. If you want to cut out the middleman, if you don't have the time to negotiate with creators to promote your products in return for earning a commission, you can do live streams directly with your products as that shop. If, for example, I am selling these AirPods, or I'm selling this wireless power bank charger here, or this lamp, live stream directly, connect with your customers, cut out the middleman. But who's doing well? Who can you learn from? Who can you follow on TikTok and implement their methods and their strategies? This is where you can find out that information rather than having to manually look for them. Will be linked in the description as well if you want to trial out Halo data. So just as a reminder, as a summary, we've set up our TikTok shop. We've set up fulfillment via AutoDS. We have created a Shopify store as well using the Build Your Store AI tool. And we have researched our products as well. So we know what we're going to be selling exactly based on tools like Halo data and tools like Smos. We are now at a stage where we are looking at creating UGC content ourselves. Now, UGC stands for user generated content, which is essentially me creating a video as a content creator talking about a product, and that video communicates directly to their potential customer. Now, this is one of the best ways to sell your products on TikTok, connecting into the whole organic marketing conversation I was talking about earlier here. There's basically three ways currently shops are absolutely crushing it on TikTok Shop. It's either utilizing creators to promote the products for you by offering them a commission and sending them the product for free. 2, utilizing ads. TikTok has one of the best ad platforms currently, and they have got a massive audience base as well that you can advertise to. And the third way is, of course, live streaming, talking to your customers directly.
To continue with the rest of the video, click here. You can find a link to the full tutorial by heading to the description below. You'll also find links to my favorite AI tools. Head over to my website, vlcmediabiz.com, where you'll find a bunch of free AI courses for serious business inquiries. You can drop me an email, drop a comment if you found this video helpful, like and subscribe. Thank you so much.